guys, I'm making food, and the food I'm making today is toad in the hole, also known as egg in the basket, bullseye eggs, eggs in a frame, egg in a hole, gas house eggs, gassed house eggs, hole in one-eyed Jack, one-eyed Pete, pirate's eye, Popeye, and spit in the ocean, according to Wikipedia. So, for this recipe, we need some butter, a piece of bread, and an egg. If you have salt and pepper or like some chili powder, that could be cool too. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is spreading butter on the bread. So take that bread, spread some butter. Butter. Okay, and then we flip the bread. So I'm using a piece of tinfoil here. You could also do this on a piece of paper or a plate if you feel like cleaning a plate, but I don't. Okay, so once your bread is thoroughly buttered, I think you know what's coming next. We cut a hole in the middle. Now you could just rip a hole out with your fingers, but then you'll have buttery fingers. You could also rip a hole out before buttering, but I like to fry the hole too, because fried bread is delicious. So once our hole is out, we are ready to start cooking. We'll see you at the pan. Alright, so we're looking at a pan on medium-high heat, and we can use our bread hole to give us a sense of when it's hot. Hear that sizzle? That means it's hot. Let's move that over and get our big piece going. So we're just going to do a little bit on this side, and then flip it back, drop the egg, then finish back on this side. So it doesn't need to get all the way crispy now, but it's good to give it a head start. If you give it a little shuffle, you can kind of hear when it's getting crispy. Let's have a look. Yeah, we got some color there. So let's flip this over, and wasting no time, get a little extra bit of butter in the middle so the egg has some lubricant. If the egg sticks, we're gonna make a mess. We don't want that. Place the egg in the middle. Beautiful. So what we're waiting for now is the bottom white part to become solid, so we know it's safe to go under there with the spatula. Okay, it's moving, it's holding together. It's a good sign. Let's see, how cooked can we expect the other side to be? Pretty well done. So let's try to flip it very carefully. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it doesn't need very long on this side. I'm going to turn off the heat now so we don't overcook our egg. We want that nice liquidy center. And I'll grab a plate. Nice. So we made it onto the plate. Our egg is intact, and we have our lid. Okay, so we're all done, and it looks great. Let's just test to see how we did. Getting that gooey. Ooh, yeah. That's what you want to see. Delicious. All right, guys, enjoy.